it, yeah.
See the start line.
We're just putting the cameras on the car and getting all that ready. I mean, it's a proper race car. This is my favorite era of race cars. People could literally drive a car to the race, prepare it, win the race, and then drive the same car home. That's my favorite era.
This is the second time I've done this. I'm driving with Jay Leno and the Ecurie Cost 120. It's going to be hugely exciting. I know what's in front of me. I'll tell you what, it's quite terrifying, I'll be honest with you, And I'm full of huge anticipation, but I know how difficult it's going to be, especially that second leg tomorrow down to Rome.
I'm very excited. It's a little bit like into the unknown at the moment.
I feel pretty good, me son. The car drives like a dream. We just had a little fling up and down the back end there, and I hope Mark was listening.
Absolutely mental. How mad is it? Even madder than they told me. I don't know what's going on. It's amazing.
It's not easy if you think it's all white wine and countryside and long pasta lunches. It's really full on, hardcore. Our teamwork has just got better and better. It's been a real pleasure to do this with Bruno. And I think when you share an experience like this, it's something you're never going to forget. I'm certainly pleased I did it.
It was awesome. I mean, it's hard to predict before you do this just how tough it is. We were pretty quick, and I think today we finished on a high, so let's try to make sure we keep enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, a fantastic day. Carl's mega, absolutely brilliant. Jeremy's had a fantastic time, I think.
Yeah, a good time. I did, yeah. It was grand, actually. It was good. Quite a long way. Oh, it's a fine car. It's a fine car. It got me out of trouble a few times.
Well, it's just been fantastic, The first day is enthusiastic, second day is hard work, the third day was just beautiful. Now we're done. I'm relieved and relaxed, but it's been marvellous, absolutely marvellous. And I'm going to do it again next year. Yeah, the faster car. You can't get too fast. It was wonderful, thank you.